Please remember to wear your safety gear. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my lovely honey, ginger and turmeric soap. My oil is ready: beeswax, coconut, olive and castor oil. This is the ginger powder, and we have our turmeric powder here. This is a very nice soap. I love to make it. And honey. Yeah, so this time I'm gonna use a stick blender. So since everything is ready, oh yes, I have to show you something. Essential oil. Yeah, but sometimes you don't have to put essential oil. So I forgot, I apologize, I forgot to show you when I strained the lye solution into my oil. So let's do a bit of stirring just in case it reaches trace easily, because sometimes when my oil mixture has beeswax, it has a tendency to thicken faster than when there's no beeswax. So I do a little bit of stirring, and when I realize that it's taking long, then I get my stick blender to the rescue. So I believe in this case I'm gonna use a stick blender. Yeah, so let's just do some blending. So I'm looking for medium trace. Yeah, so let's just keep blending and blending and blending. So let's add our ginger and turmeric and then stir it in until we reach the desired trace. It's now time to add our essential oil and continue blending. But oh my goodness, the color is amazing. Yeah. So we're ready now to pour. I find it's getting big real quick, so I have to do this quickly. Just look at that color. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. Yeah, we have to do things really quick. Yeah, it's getting thick. Ooh, yeah, you have a little bit there. Yep. So we're all done now. I just have to make it even at the top. So what I'm going to do now is cover it with this plastic. I like the design that it gives my soap right at the top, especially when I add honey. I always use this plastic. Yeah. So, oh, sorry about the lighting. Yeah, so I just press it at the top there so the plastic goes in. Yeah, each time I have honey in my soap, I use this plastic. I don't know what you call it, but it gives a lovely design the top of my soap. Yeah. Okay. So the next day, bright and early, yeah, this soap is ready for unmolding, my favorite time. Yay! I just love to unmold soap. Yeah, this soap is lovely. It's all dry. Look at that. Yeah, there you go, my honey ginger and turmeric soap. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for subscribing. Bye.